Hi guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. And today it's Sunday, last day of the week. So we're gonna be looking at the weekly charts as well. First, I would like to tell you guys to also follow me on Twitter. And if you want to trade with some leverage, use one of the following sign up links. You'll get some additional discounts on your fees and you help my YouTube channel. So we are having a look as well at the Google searches, and we can see that the searches for cryptocurrency are going up, which is what we want in a bull market. Taking a look at the funding rates for BTC, and Bitmex is coming down nicely. Others are up a little bit, but Bitmex has kind of the highest open interest, and I think Bitmex is mainly steering the market. So it comes down quite nicely. That means that longs don't have to pay that much funding, which is bullish. So they can pump the price again. So on a lower time frame, this is what I'm looking at. They had a little bit of a fake out to the downside. In the best case scenario, I would like to see them pump a little bit higher before the 4-hour closes. When the video comes out, the 4 hours will be closed. So take a look if they engulfed this red candle. That's a really powerful buying sign. I still expect this to happen. They can do a little bit of a shakeout. We will have to see how far they can get it. But on the short term, I'm bullish. Long term as well. They can do a little bit of a fake out, stop people out of their longs, but eventually I think we first see 13k before we see 10k. So let's zoom out and take a look at the weekly. So we see these weekly closes over here. We're above it right now. We're above these weekly closes. And let me just grab a little bit of water, guys. It's pre-workout actually. So yeah, we want to have closes above these closes over here. So that would be around 11.5k. As long as the weekly closes above it, that's good. I would like to see this one pop up a little bit higher, because right now it's a bit of a hanging man. Look it up if you don't know what a hanging man is, but I am still very bullish. I'm bullish as long as we are above this level. You can see over here, very important level. In the worst case, we can do a tap back on it for support, 10.5k, and just shake everybody out. But I think we go straight up. I'm quite sure we will go straight up. Doesn't have to happen. And why am I that bullish? That's because this line broke. If you've seen my videos before, you've probably seen these lines already. But this is why I am so bullish. Take a look here. Take a look here. What a break of a certain line like that does. You can see it over here as well. It just starts moving. So zoom in again. Zoom in really small. So yeah, this is what we're seeing right now, and we can see the lows are getting higher all the time. So that's very bullish. See this low, this low, this low, and from here on they seem to get higher all the time. Right now, this would be our support. Break that low, and we will probably go a bit lower. I would say this place. I can use the VPVR for it as well, but I like to do it nakedly because using the VPVR means you need to pay for trading view. Here's the VPVR, and you can see the important levels. Here's a bit of a gap. So this would be a good place again, too long, and that would be around here. But right now I think we're still good, and we like the pattern I'm seeing is somewhat like this and this, and I see this trend line to the downside. I need to zoom out a little bit more. I see this pattern forming somewhat. Wait. Something like this. And that makes me very bullish. Of course, we have a top line here as well. Not trying to make it too complicated, but this is a channel I'm seeing. Breakdown of the channel could land us over here. I think that's around 11.3k. But I am betting to the upside. And worst case scenario, we go back to 10.5k. But I'm not seeing that happen, like I said. Taking a look at Ethereum. So I'm bullish on BTC, just so you guys know. Take a look at Ethereum. Zooming out, what I see on a bigger level. This is what I'm seeing on a high time frame level. We broke last month, or before that even, this 2-year trend line, and that's when the run-up started. Ethereum moves fast when it starts moving. As you can see over here, it went really quick. And I expect continuation right now. They just did a bullish retest. Let's zoom in a little bit. Go to the 15-minute. And I see a nice reaction over there. I would say something like this. And something like this. So time to move up again. Maybe we saw like something like this forming. Yes. I'm all about trend line, guys. Trend lines. And if they break this little trend line, I would say yeah, well, I would take profit just before $500 because $500 is a very round level. What is this level at? Let me zoom out a little bit. Let me zoom out a little bit more. Yeah, I would take profit, I think, at like 470 or so. Otherwise, you're touching this line, and you wanna take some profit before they touch this resistance. It's like 480. Just before 480, you wanna take some profit. Let's take a look at Ethereum BTC. And yeah, this is a high time frame look. Very important level. I would long it a bit higher to 0.05. I think it can go there. Let's take a look at the weekly. What does the weekly look like? Weekly looks, I mean, I would like it to pump a little bit more above this line, because then you're above these two weekly closes. I could put on the VPVR as well. Not turning up nicely. I'll put it off. Yeah, I mean, it surely looks very good. And yes, right now it's a big long. It's a big long, guys. If you see this video punting along on Ethereum BTC, you can do it on Bitmex. It does require know your customer pretty soon, but you can find my sign up link over here. You'll help me and you help yourself with some extra discounts that are also in the video description. But Ethereum BTC just broke out now. Matic USD. I had this setup posted a while ago, a few days ago actually, but before it broke the horizontal line. This is the setup I am playing. Not sure if you guys play it, but this is what I am playing. I will zoom in now. Matic looks very good. Buy on a retest of the blue line, or this level is still a good buy in my opinion. Let's zoom in. And yeah, I think they will make a bit of a flag, a bull flag, I think. And right now, yeah, it looks like a bull flag. Looks very strong. They can make some wicks to wick people out of the trades. Why I'm not necessarily a big fan of Matic is because these things can happen, which are really, really scary. And over here as well, those are nasty dumps. Well, it hurts as a trader if you'll get caught in it. So that's why I'm always a little bit careful on Matic. Sandeep can dump on you. You can trade this on FTX. My ref is over here. So yeah, I'm always a little bit cautious on Matic, but it is a buy right now. EOS, I've charted EOS as well on my, and EOS right now is on resistance. Really beautiful chart, really beautiful chart. If EOS breaks up from this one, first target $5.50, second target around 8.5. Yeah, so I would say big long from over here, possibly over here. Yeah, AOS is, I mean, they don't come more clearly than this, but for confirmation you would want to see a close of a 4-hour or a daily above this trend line, which is at, yeah, let's say, I mean, this is small, just to be sure, $4.10 for example, and yeah, you can, yeah, US is looking monsterly good. Taking a look at LTC. Wait, let's take a look at US at the 15-minute. Yeah, looking very good. US is a big buy, guys. As soon as it cracks the line, like 410 or something, it is a buy. Maybe you want to take a risk and buy a little bit earlier, because once an alt breaks such a resistance, it moves up really fast and you might miss the boat. Let's take a look at LTC. I'm making daily video, guys, so you can watch every day. This is what I had for LTC, and it's still valid. Buy on the break if they make a higher high over here on the daily. But LTC is looking very good. Can easily go to 140. And yeah, for confirmation, wait till it's just above $66. Just to be sure, you can also buy at 69. It's, I don't know. Just joking, guys. So yeah, that's about it for today, guys. Like I said, I am always, not always, but in a bull market, you want to look for longs. And I believe now we're in a bull market and the alts are doing crazy things. And right now I am mainly looking at alts who haven't done the pop-up yet, you know, just like the Link and others. So LTC is a big buy, EOS is a big buy, Ethereum, Bitcoin is a big buy. And yeah, it all depends a little bit on Bitcoin. That's what makes alts a bit scary. But I'm pretty sure on Matic, EOS, and LTC, especially EOS. So guys, that's about it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.